How to fix Spotify glitch on Android. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and then you will search for Spotify. And when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and now you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another